So today is comfy, cozy, relax. We are gonna go through the cards. So let's get started. I only found like two Thanksgiving ones that I really liked. I thought this was so cute. It's got little villages and it says Happy Thanksgiving. And look at the little scarecrow down there. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and then the inside of this one, it's got the house. Y'all, I love it has like the gold foil on there, and that's what I love about it. Oh, so cute, so cute. Okay, and then we've got the classic color of the maroon. It just says Happy Thanksgiving. And then this one's plain. But you can take these pieces, like you can cut this off and just use this on the like the front of your Thanksgiving journal or planner. I do a lot of planners too. So those are the only two I have fallen in love with so far. Halloween, on the other hand, it just went berserk. All right, this says boo to you. Y'all, look at their eyeballs. That was the reason I got this, because of their little eyes. I laughed so hard when I seen this, and they're like actually a little raised up. Like it's got like texture to it. It's smooth. I don't know what the name of it, but only like the words have it. But I just thought it was so funny. And there's nothing in there, but yeah. And then none of these ghosts are here to boo you. It's so stinking cute. And then yeah, nothing here, but this is adorable, and it has like glitter, but it says tricks and treats and fun and friends. Tricks and treats and fun and friends. I have to really think about that. But it has the cute little treats on it. Look at the little coffee and the little cake pops. I love that. And the donut and the cupcake. I love them. So all of those little things are glittered. But is that not adorable? Yeah. Nothing, but you can always take this out or just add this part in there, or you know, add stickers, whatever, it doesn't matter, anything like that. Look at this stinking adorable witch. It says granddaughter just thought you should know. I am a granddaughter, but I don't have to use it. I can put one of the thousands of stickers. If you've seen my house lately, you know I have lots of stickers. I can always put a sticker over it. But I like the witches, like the leggings. I don't know. I just thought because it's such a real picture compared to like the, you know, the animated ones. I don't know. I just liked it more. It's blank. They're kind of boring on the inside. Y'all, this one you can frame. Put in a little black frame. There you go. Put it in the bathroom. Put it next to your bathroom sink, next to the soap and lotion. And that's so cute. And this part, this little border, the black one, oh, and the words, they're raised up a little bit. So it's got like a, I don't know what it is. I want to say it kind of feels like leather, but it doesn't. But it's like, I don't know the right word of what it'd be. Faux leather, I don't know. It says Happy Halloween. It's got the little pumpkins. Is that not cute? And then wishing you happy memories and fun surprises to brighten your Halloween. So this is so stinking adorable for anybody that loves their fashion. It says whichever way you celebrate. It's got the witch's hat and boots and glasses, a little purse. That's what made me think of the fashion. Just, you know, I don't know. Boring in the inside. Trick or treat. This is so cute. Like, and this is raised right here. I don't know if the cat is. No, just the tree and the little graveyard and the haunted house. I love that haunted house though. I love it. It's so cute. Oh, her outline. Look at her. She's fancy. Oh, and she has 13 on her collar. Look at that. This one you can also put in a frame. That would be really, really pretty. Because look at the foil on it. All the gold is in foil. And it's very pretty. Very classy. That would be cute. On like a entrance table for like your guests to see. This one is super, super stinking cute. And I love how it looks realistic, like real life, like I said earlier, not the animated type. And I love it. And then it's like got the little bits of glitter, like sparkled glitter on it. And it's just, y'all, it is so cute and perfect. I wish this is one I would want you to see in person because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Have an enchanted night, except for it's not the live one, but y'all, the black on this, oh wow. It has like, it's iridescent, so like it's got some blue, and when you move it, and it's got some orange in there, and some, you can see some white. No, sometimes silver, it just depends on the way you're looking, but it's mainly black, purple, and gold glitter. So cute, so cute. Boring. Halloween magic is in the air. Oh wow. Oh wow. This is pretty. These little bumps right here, they're raised up a little bit along with like all the glitter. It's got like a bumpy texture. I don't know. It's really, really pretty. And it's got the same like shimmer when you turn it. All right, look at this little ghost. Happy Halloween. I couldn't pass it up. And this is how you booing. How you doing? That's so cute. I like the little raised part of it too. The little spider web and the eyes and the words. So cute. This is adorable for any of your baker friends, or if you're a baker, put this in the kitchen. Decorate with it. It's so cute. It's just so cute. Y'all, this card, absolutely stunning. It is gorgeous. Like, I have no words. It's so pretty. It's got enough added sparkle. It really, really reminds me of Halloween Town. If you've watched those movies, it reminds me of Marnie's house so much. Like, that's what I immediately seen when I seen this card. It's so pretty. Look at that. That's so cute. Oh, I don't think I showed you. I think this inside. Oh, this inside of this one has just like brown around it, which is better than the white plain ones. This inside made me think of that. But all the little purple on this is foiled, which I loved. And then the black is raised like the rest of them, which is so, that's cute. I love that they added that little bit of detail, you know. But this one actually has an interesting inside, which I wish they would have done that with all of their cards. Like, it has the black stars and the little bats added on there. Okay, so this one you can also put in a frame. That would be really cute. It must be Halloween. A little bit of glitter. All the white is a little, I mean, a touch of glitter. And then the gold is all like that gold foil. It's really pretty in person. And then look at this house, y'all. It's so cute. It says ghosts and goyles are out tonight with skeletons dancing in the pale moonlight. Oh, where'd they go? Where they partying at? I love it. All the little, there's little raised parts on all of them, even the little witch's brew. The inside of this one though is stinking cute also. Like, this is what they should have done for all of their cards. Seriously, all of their cards. Like, this is what they should look like. You're in for haunts and hoots and frights. Hope it's a magical Halloween night. Okay. I thought this was a very classy, like, just nice, classic black one. Happy Halloween. If you don't want to go with anything like crazy, colorful, this one's a cute one. That one's a good one to go with. Spooky Halloween wishes. And I love the realistic part to it. And I like that it's raised up in the parts again. Ooh, in the words. This is so, I don't know. It's just vintage and very like elegant. It's a very elegant Halloween. I mean, nothing much on the inside, but at least it's orange. But I don't know. I just thought it was so pretty. And whoever did the drawing on it is great. Very classy. Again, with the classy Halloween. Just the happy Halloween. That's cute in a frame. Very boring on the inside. Oh, I missed this Thanksgiving one. I forgot. Ooh, this one's a pretty one too. It's got the gold foiled leaves. That one's really pretty. A season of sharing, a time for giving thanks. That would be pretty in a frame too. Or even like the cover of a journal. That would be pretty. So happy Halloween. All the gold is foil. It's very pretty. Like it's very shimmery. It kind of reminds me of like a mica powder, if you know what a gold mica powder looks like, or copper. Yeah, boring on the inside, but just says happy Halloween. This one says wicked. That one's pretty too. Very classy. And the whole gold or copper is all foil. Oh, it's Halloween. If you're not a little wicked, what's the point? Sure hope it's a wicked good time for you this year. Y'all better be a little wicked. That's what it said. That's what it said to do. All right, I got dupes of this one. This one says, if your Halloween is anything like you, it's gonna be a fabulous Halloween. Happy Halloween, sorry. But look at the little witch's legs. That's cute. Classic purple for Halloween. I like that they added the little jack-o'-lantern. This is very, very vintage to me, okay? Very vintage. It reminds me of Johanna Parker. If you've seen any of her items in store, it is very Johanna Parker-esque. And I love the red. It's beautiful. It's so much prettier in person, I would think, probably than on camera. Last but not least, I love this one because she is freaking adorable. Freaking adorable. Y'all, is that not the cutest little ghost you'd ever seen? I loves her. I just loves her. It says great granddaughter. It's no trick. I don't care. I'll cover that up because is loving you is such a treat. Oh. It's no treat. Loving you is such a treat. That's cute. If you actually wanted to give it to your granddaughter, that's cute. I really wish they would have done some here, but that's okay. I love her. She is just she is my spirit animal. Look, the little bow. And look, loves the candy. I love candy. I don't eat a lot of desserts, but I do love me some chocolate and some candy. Certain candies I will eat like crazy, more than I should. And she got the little rosy cheeks. I just love her so much. All right, that is my last and final card. I hope you enjoyed it. I just wanted to do cards today. That way you can kind of see what's out there and see if you like any of them and if you want to journal or go look for them. Well, I can't wait to see you guys next time for my next haul, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.